database lah. Okay, so for the traditional software, you give the input equals to 5. Then you give the program x equals to y plus 2. So you know what is the output already. The output will be 7 because you get the formula already. Ma. But in machine style, the how AI thinks, you no need to give the program to the computer. But whereas you give the input and the output. Then from the input and output, the computer will think on how to create the program already. So this phase we are called train phase. We train the computer to learn from our data. So what we put in the input and output is called the data, and the program that come out from it is called the models. So you will see everyone is saying about models. So this is what's the model is the algorithm that is the program that come out from the training phase. So what things good about the model is the model are able to generalize, meaning next time I give it the data that not in my input, just now I didn't give y equals to 10, but the model are able to think x equals to 12 because it already trained on the previous data. So this is roughly what AI is lah. So everything is about maths and algorithm. Of course, the real one is more complex, but the simple explanation is this. So you understand already. So AI is about maths and everything, methods, algorithm. So what I want to say is AI is a collection of tools. I quote Andrew this Sifu of AI. So it's a collection of tools based on how the model is trained. So in the markets, the size is representing the value of the AI algorithm now. So we have four major algorithms or machine learning methods that are very famous. One is supervised learning, then second one is unsupervised learning, the third is generative AI, and fourth is reinforcement learning. So I will be explaining a bit on each of the algorithm. Before we go, actually, this is something like AI learns. Actually, they are resemble what we are learning last time, the dendrite, axons, or non-law, something like this. So they are actually mimicking our how we think in a mathematical way. Okay, so let's go to the supervised learning. Supervised learning is the label data, meaning we already know the data, like what I showed just now. I show y equals to 1 to 1, y equals to 5. Then I put into the models. Then the model will know already, oh, this is cat, this is chicken, this is dog. Then after that, I will just ask him, after it trained already, I can ask the AI to predict, then he can know if this is dog, this is cat, because I already tell him what is the image represented on. Then he can generalize on other images. So this is supervised learning. So for more understanding, so now we have a weight and height things. So I label people with high weight and high height is healthy. Then people with low weight and low height is not healthy. So I give it to training, then the AI will classify for me already. Okay, this is not healthy. Then next time, if you have somebody that have this height in this weight, follow my mouse, then it will classify as non-healthy. So you can see, actually, this thing is our models. So actually, the model that separate healthy and non-healthy is just a simple line uh, in the XY chart. So yeah, again, AI is about data and max. Okay, so using the simple concept on this, we can train on to do a lot of things already. Like in medical, we can do classifications, can do detections of tumor, we can do segmentations, we can also do pill identifications, and this one is one of my play toy during I was young. I can identify a pill from my image. Okay, next is unsupervised learning. So if you compare supervised learning, we draw a model. The AI know what is uh, which one is healthy, which one is unhealthy. Unsupervised learning is I don't give the AI what is the label. Then the AI, then I tell AI, oh, I want four classes from here. then the AI will generate the classes for me automatically based on the proximity or their characteristic uh, in the data. So this is unsupervised learning. And reinforcement learning is about reward lah. So it's like how you train your cats to give you the hand. So whenever the cat give you his hand, then you give it some fish. So the cats know, oh, this action is good. So this is something that reinforcement learning lah. Then lastly is generative AI. So I think everyone is not very familiar with this already lah. So ChatGPT, Spark, and Stable Diffusion, everything that help you to do your chatbot and everything. So this is four types of the AIs lah. So just to tell you, is besides ChatGPT, there are lots of algorithm that is also counted as AI, and everything is about maths. Okay. So we come to a step on how to produce an AI models just to tell you how it works only lah. So our problem is how to train an AI model for classification of pneumonia chest X-ray. Okay, so now I have a lot of X-ray, and the radiologist want to know, oh, how can I save my save my time on classifying the pneumonia chest X-ray. So what should we do? The first step is, oh, we need to decide what type of AI algorithm to use. So as we say just now, we already have a lot of data previously that label pneumonia X-ray already. So we choose supervised learning, the labeled data. So the step two is we need to prepare a lot of data with labels like this one is healthy, this one is pneumonia. For human, confirm you already know, you can distinguish it by your eyes in just one glance. But in AI, at least you need to prepare 1,000 of these image to train them. So you prepare a lot of data already. Next, you have to throw the image to AI algorithm for him to train. So now you just tell AI, oh, this is healthy, this is not healthy. So AI train. Then after that, you have the model already, ma. So you should confirm you have to test it, right? So because people ask you, hey, your model accurate or not? So you cannot like simply take the model go out. So everything is you need to test it. Also, you take the AI model, you sit for exam. You show him the spread that he didn't see before. See it able to give you the accurate data or not. So this is the evaluation step, right? Then fourth, if the accuracy is above like 80, 90%, which is on your needs already, then the model is ready to use. Then congratulations, you have the AI model already, no? Okay, so this is how we train the AI lah. So come to another problem, another thinking. So why AI is so popular recent year? So normally people will tell you lah that there will be three reasons. First is availability of enormous amount of data. Everybody have handphone already ma. So handphone you can snap everywhere. You can take data to become digital anytime. So the amount of data produced, advancements of this digital device help you to produce a lot of data. Then second is we have a lot of innovation in those hardware like graphic processing unit. Then third is the advancement in deep learning algorithm lah. So like this week we have a performance leap in our graphic processing unit already. See, if you see last time, A100 and H100 is this only. Then this year they come out 18x performance leaps already. So on my picture on the right, this chip is the chip that changed the world. Is the chip that trained the ChatGPT come out. Then this chip is the larger one which come out this year. So you can see the size, you know already it's very heavy already. So this is a performance chip. And that guy in behind he said he will make more chip that more powerful next time. So we expect more and more advanced AI coming out in next year or more year to come. Okay. So back to our topic. How can AI help in healthcare? So if you overview this kind of AI startup in the world, you will see they will classify it into a lot of things, imaging, drug discovery, predictive analytics, risk scoring, and etc. And if you go to search online, you will search a lot of information on application of AI in healthcare, right? They will tell you outbreak prediction, medical imaging, and everything. So I help you summarize already. So in my opinions, there's AI can help with healthcare in three different manners. One is augmentations, second is personalizations, third is prediction analytics and simulations. Okay. So first thing is augmentation. Augmentation is about the AI help humans, us, to improve our capability, such as they can diagnose the disease more accurately and more quickly than our way. Then it can help you to extend your capability to monitor few patients together without your consciousness, like remote monitoring and telehealth. Okay, now this is something like the AI help you to detect polyps and coloscopy lah. So one example I want to give you on human augmentation is this retinopathy image. So in this kind of image, if you go to optometrist will tell you four thing only. Based on your diagram, are you diabetic? You do have diabetes related retinopathy, eye cancer, glaucoma, or eye related disease. But if you are using AI to check this data, what possible disease that you can see is you can even know kidney disease, gallbladder disease, heart calcium score, and even Alzheimer from this image. So if you can see, this AI augmented our ability to diagnose more disease. So it's actually helping us to get more better healthcare. Of course, this AI ability, what you have to see is still in theory, but most of it have a very promising result already. Yeah. So secondly is personalizations. So personalization is very simple. Like everyone know already, we have a chatbot, then the chatbot can personalize to your needs. You can ask the chatbot to become your lover or become your doctors also can. Then it also can help you customize your treatment plan based on your past data. You want to feed a lot of data inside. Then since we feed our data inside already, we can also feed our health record inside and it can give us personalized health lifestyles and recommendations. So this one all actually cannot be done by human easily last time because all those data is a lot enormous. We cannot do one by one at all. But with AI, we can use it. So excuse me. Then thirdly is prediction and prediction. So prediction is about this kind of epidemiology, modeling clinical trials and disease prediction. Like what we are doing in last time COVID, we predict the 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 fatalities, we predict the outbreak and everything. So this is what AI can do on us. So three things: augmentations, personalizations, and predictions. So next I will show you some case that AI achieved lah, and some use case. So one of the achievement in drug discovery is now we have this kind of protein folding that predicted by AI. Last time, if you have the protein sequence, you cannot predict the protein structure accurately. So if you cannot predict the protein structure accurately, you cannot do the enzyme come out. So if you cannot do the enzyme come out, you cannot do the new drug come out. So what AI do is they increase the accuracy of this protein folding to around 96 or 90%. So now we can accelerate our drug discovery and we no need to hit and miss already. We can have a very evidence-based drug discovery. So this is one now. So it's called AlphaFold 2 lah. Then as a pharmacist, I have to share pharmacist use case also. So we have this CVS pharmacy in US. They are using machine learning to personalize to increase the refill rates of their patients. Then Walmart is using product recommendation, like what we see in the Shopee, so that people buy more in Walmart. And Walgreens are using inventory optimization and price optimizations to create a better inventory profile. Then you also can see a lot of AI assisted healthcare already. Like this Kura AI, they are AI assisted in healthcare. Then this Penotic AI, they can predict your vital signs or check your vital sign just using your facial image only. Then we also have our local startup, QMAT Asia. They create a QMAT Copilot, which that enable you to talk to your CPG. So next time you just talk to your CPG or what's the recommendation of yellow fever, then they can help you to show the all the thing already. So this is a lot of usage of AI lah in our healthcare domain. Then lastly is the challenges and the limitation of AI adoption. So I just whiff through this because of time. So first is data privacy law. Second is skill gap, cost and infrastructure. So with the with a not because we are healthcare so we're dealing with a lot of patient data. So if you can see last time Singapore gonna hack because of the healthcare data gonna hack. A lot of this sensitive data leak out. So what we need to do is we need to have a better cost and infrastructures to build on to enhance our security so that our data privacy can get more things done. And secondly is the skill gap lah. So we lack of a lot of AI talent. So I hope that my sharing today can spark you on AI, then you can learn more on AI lah. Yeah. So this is what I want to say. So this is it. So lastly is the side topic lah. How can generative AI help you in healthcare research? So it's for Sabah Research Week. So I think you already know about uh, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and even Gemini AI. So I just want to share on how you can use it more further. First, you can use AI, ChatGPT, to help you convert unstructured data to structured data. So example, you give the AI this word history of DVT started offering, then you tell AI, please extract this uh, disease medication and dose in the text for me. Then it will give you these three things. So these three things you can just put into your structured data, your Excel. So you can get a very structured data from this thing without you personally do it lah. Alright. Then secondly is the ICD coding. ICD coding, you also can do it you using ChatGPT. Then secondly is for those qualitative study, you can use speech to text, meaning you are recording, right? So you just use AI speech to text for you, help you to transcribe all the speech into text. Then you use AI to help you to summarize it. So you can see it saved you a lot of work already. Last time maybe you need 10 helper to do it. Now you only need maybe yourself to do it only. So this is one thing lah, convert unstructured data to structured data. Second thing is more futuristic, is synthetic data, meaning you can use all the data available to create your digital twins. So these digital twins, you can test everything on it. Like you can test drug on it, then it will show you, oh, based on the digital twins, you're not compatible with these drugs. So it can help you to have more better therapy lah and save cost also because you don't need to go to test ma, and you can immediately get your result based on this simulation. So currently this is the dream of all AI lah. So I hope this one can be done very fast. Then third is simulation. So simulations is about simulating it's similar like physical uh those digital twins are, but these simulations more on this kind of epidemiology simulation. So for example, this is not healthcare use case, but I want to share with you the simulation that people doing with ChatGPT. So they create the town in a game, then each of the each of the character inside, they will have their ChatGPT powered memory. Then from there, they will just observe what these AI are doing and to observe the behavior. So you can get the community-based behavior based on this stimulation. Yeah. So and NVIDIA is uh, very very concentrate on this kind of simulation. So hopefully next time we have a very simulated world that we can visit next time. So fourth is conversation and data capture. So For you researcher, you need to go to talk to people. So instead of talk to people, you can just go code an AI to help you capture the data. So you tell AI, I want to capture the name, the age, and the sex of the uh, people that interview talk to you. So you just deploy the AI, then the people will talk to AI, and you automatically get the data you want to capture already. So this will save your time for your research purpose. Okay. So because I'm not really into these research things, but that's what I think of in how generative AI can help you in research lah. So next is about future trend lah. Almost finished already. So future trend is about instead of text, this kind of agentic AI they are going toward this multimodal large language model, meaning they will help you to analyze your image, analyze your videos and everything, etc. And another thing is medical AI enabled IoT, those IoT devices. Okay. So that's the end of my sharing already. So just a recap. So I share with you importance of data in AI.